Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. If you are experiencing issues with iMessage not working on your iPhone, then there are several troubleshooting steps you can try to resolve this issue. So let's get started. So guys, first thing you need to make sure is to check your Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone. iMessage relies on an active internet connection to work properly, whether it is through Wi-Fi or cellular data. So make sure that you have a secured Wi-Fi connection on your iPhone. After that, simply go back to the home screen and tap on the settings option available there. Then inside settings, scroll down and tap on messages and make sure that the iMessages option is enabled there, and if it is turned off then simply toggle it on. After this you can simply go to the settings again and go to the general option available inside the settings. Then inside general, scroll down till you find the shutdown option available. Then simply shut down your Wi-Fi and open it up again after 30 to 35 seconds. After that, simply enter your passcode to open your iPhone, then go to the general again and tap on the software update inside the general. And make sure that your iPhone is running the latest version of iOS. And if not, then simply install any available updates. After that, go back to the general again and scroll down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Inside transfer or reset iPhone, tap on reset. Then simply tap on the reset all settings. So that is it. By following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and resolve most iMessage related issues on your iPhone. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.